Thank you very much, Marcel. It's a great pleasure for Canton Novo to be here in front of such an incredible crowd. Very happy to have seen this convention growing here in our region. I will take the next 10 minutes to give you a taste of our innovation ecosystem. I'm not an expert of AI machine learning. We have many experts in our regions, such as Marcel, such as Sergey, that you just heard before, in terms of scientists, entrepreneurs, corporates. But let me just start with a video that will a bit give you this taste of what is happening in terms of innovation in our canton.
Innovation takes time.
It's challenging.
Frustrating. But often a thing of beauty. Innovation. We understand it takes ideas, dedication, vision.
Above all, it takes people, entrepreneurs who love to innovate.
Startups that love to make change. And companies who are not scared of taking risks or wonder what could be. Fostering innovation requires the right environment to flourish.
VA is one of Europe's leading innovation hubs with a vast number of growing industries. It's where Swiss quality of life, stability, diversity of skilled labor, talent, and academic research are all linked together to grow ideas
and innovate. Our ecosystem is rich with diversity, setting up endless possibilities between many different sectors. Health tech and life sciences,
food tech and nutrition, digital trust and cybersecurity,
aerospace and precision engineering,
AI and machine learning,
sport tech,
drones and robotics,
energy and environment technology, all converging to harness each other's high-tech strengths.
We act as a bridge between startups, corporates, investors, and entrepreneurs. We understand innovation takes connections, support, and financial incentives.
That it takes collaboration, talent, and the most advanced technologies to push ideas forward and bring them to market. That's why we promote, invest, connect, and grow innovation. VO.
So after this promotional part, let me just give you some facts and figures about our innovation ecosystem. So as you know, our Office for Innovation and Economic Affairs is dedicated to support and to deploy the economic development policy that our government has set up. I will explain some of the incentives we have, but it's just to say that our authorities are also very keen to develop this ecosystem here in this region. So the 5 pillars of our ecosystem, it's everything today when you want to nurture an innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem is about talent, is about academic research expertise, corporates, entrepreneurs mainly, and also supportive programs and incentives. So if we consider the first pillar, academic and research community, the talents. We have here a pool of talents of more than 80,000 professors, scientists, researchers. It's really a large and diversified, I would say, community in terms of expertise, technology, know-how, because we have more than 20 universities. Of course, EPFL here, it's our MIT. Of course, here in the region, EPFL acts as an anchor for this academic research community. But most important is that we have this transdisciplinary approach as these 20 universities are involved in technology, in management, in design, in hospitality management. So it really helps us to develop an ecosystem focused not only in one specific sector, but in many innovation domains, such as the AI and machine learning, which becomes one of the most innovation domains in our region. As it was mentioned by Marcel, the EPFL AI Center is the main, I would say, platform dedicated to AI here at EPFL. It's roughly 400 researchers. There is this Swiss AI initiative together between EPFL and ETH, which really helps Switzerland to position itself as a global AI hub at worldwide level. We also have another initiative, the Swiss Data Science Center, which is more than 120 scientists in the whole Switzerland with the headquarters in Canton-Novo. This center is part of the ETH and EPFL domain, and it serves really as also a platform to support different fields, health and biotech, energy, manufacturing, public sectors, finance. And this platform already collaborates with most of the big companies in our region and in Switzerland. There is a strong community of entrepreneurs and startups. Canton-Novo has more than 550 startups coming out from this large and diversified scientist community, mainly, but also coming out from corporates. We have among these 550 startups, roughly 10% that are scale-up companies. This company has a very fast growth. They have created for the last 10 years roughly 8,400 jobs, this scale-up company. And we have in this region many companies not only using but developing AI solutions to integrate in their technology. I don't want to be exhaustive here. You already had the one of the best examples, Isomorphic Labs. There are other examples, such as the ones on this slide. I just would like to take one example, a company called Eco Robotics, which is a scale-up company. Eco Robotics has developed a plant-by-plant AI software that embodies technology that embodies the forefront of agricultural technology, leveraging sophisticated algorithms to detect and treat an extensive array of crops and weeds. The technology and the software has been developed in-house by Eco Robotics engineers, and this innovative technology combines AI with high-speed processing and machine learning to enable rapid decision-making in the agri-tech field. So this Eco Robotics example is really, I would say, illustrating the potential in our region to, in regard with AI solution. Key industries, sectors, and corporate. We have 2,000 high-tech companies here in Canton-Novo, 55,000 high-tech jobs in different sectors, ICT and digital, with Logitech, SIGPA, Cisco, Salesforce also having headquarters in our region, Kudelski, also in precision engineering, of course, the watchmaking industry, but also companies such as Bob in the industrial equipment, aerospace, that was mentioned also in the video, food and nutrition with the worldwide headquarters and R&D centers of Nestle, other companies in this field, and also life science and health, which is probably one of the most representing sectors in our region with big corporates and the Swiss Health Valley here in this region from Geneva to to burn, Vaud being as the center of this health valley. So investments made in startups by investors, what I would like just to say, roughly 2.5 billion, decrease last year, of course, because of the situation in the financial market, but Vaud is performing quite well, and AI is becoming the most important sectors in terms of investment made in startups. We have a dynamic network of partners. Innovo is our one-stop shop partner for startup, SMEs, and corporates. We also have a network of partners in different fields, in financing, coaching. We have 8 innovation parks, which represent 8,000 jobs and 800 companies, and also different initiatives, clusters, and other organizations. I don't want to go in details. We are here to answer any of your questions. And our services are the ones that you are usually used to, the ones that any, I would say, economic development agency delivers, but really they're also to help any entrepreneurs, any startups, any scientists to get connected with our ecosystem. We need you, we need this next generation of entrepreneurs to really not only create the AI solution that the economy and the society will need, but also to help us in diversify our economy and create the next opportunities for, in terms of jobs and in terms of, yes, futures for the job market. Thank you very much, and really enjoy this beautiful AMLD. Thank you.